Greetings, I'm Tobias Cardew, product designer for Empower Tools, and here's what we've been working on for the last 4 years, the side-by-side, affectionately known as the SBS or Big Boss. Comes fully loaded, crammed with all the goodness you need to take your blunt tools to wicked sharp in minutes. Apply the fully synthetic lube to the 3 diamond grades which are mounted to the machined flat, super sexy SBS base. After sharpening, replace the magnetic strop covers in preparation for strop polishing your blades. The SBS arrives with 3 grades of polishing wax, a unique blend of oxide abrasives, colour-coded to match the onboard leather strop covers. Load each leather strop cover with the matching abrasive wax, then strop in sequence from fine to superfine to give your tools that perfect finish. Do the right thing for your tools and find a home in your shop for the side-by-side. For further details, visit our home at mpower-tools.com. Thanks for watching.